Hello everyone, here I am again. Today I will talk about Tayda Electronic, an online electronic store, and how I've managed to understand their electronic components even up to now. Let me emphasize right away, I haven't been paid for this video, nor have I been rewarded by Tayda in any way, nor has Tayda asked me to make this video. The video came about from my personal need to provide my viewers with relevant information that can help them. So stay with me until the end of the video, and don't forget that the best way to help me is to watch the video until the end. Besides, I don't make long videos anyway. Amidst the plethora of high-quality electronic components, I've also come across something that you should definitely avoid. These are male banana connectors produced by Tayda. However, I don't know if the engineer was high or drunk when designing these connectors, but they certainly made a big mistake, as you can see. You can fix the same issue the way I did or by some other method. See how I resolved the problem and made these banana connectors usable. Despite everything, I'll reiterate that this is the only item I had problems with. Everything else works flawlessly even today, although I haven't ordered anything from Tayda since the time when COVID began. Everything came to a halt then. There was no way for them to send anything to my address. And after a year or two up until today, the only option through which I could buy from them is DHL. For me in my country, DHL isn't an option due to the rude and greedy behavior of the local DHL office. Even for the smallest package worth a few dollars, they charge a whopping 40 euros as their handling fees for the shipment. The issue, as you can see, lies in the rotation of the main part that should establish contact, but it doesn't work due to the possibility of rotation, resulting in unstable contact. A correct and properly made banana connector should look like this, and definitely not the way Tayda has designed it. The problem can be solved by soldering the rotating part to the solid and stable part, thereby achieving a 100% quality contact. Definitely avoid these banana connectors if they're not absolutely necessary. In the end, I bought mine locally. Apart from these faulty banana connectors, everything else I've ever purchased from Tayda, and I've bought a lot, works flawlessly. And the prices they offer are certainly very reasonable considering the quality they provide. I wholeheartedly recommend them to everyone. A big thank you if you've been watching the video up to this point. I'm truly immensely grateful to you.